In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hubstaff account. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in Create Hubstaff Account and run the search. This is a simple way to quickly find the official sign-up page if you're starting from scratch and don't already have the website open. Once the search results appear, look for the official Hubstaff result, labeled Hubstaff, time tracking software with productivity insights. Make sure you're selecting the official website so you end up in the right place. This is especially helpful because search results can sometimes include ads, review sites, or other pages that are not the direct sign-up page. After you open the Hubstaff website, look for the Try It Free button. This is the option that takes you into the account creation process. Click that button to move forward. If you're on a different screen layout than expected, don't worry. On some devices, the button may appear in a slightly different location, but the wording should be very similar. Next, you'll be taken to the sign-up page where you'll need to fill in your details. Enter the required information carefully in each field. Typically, this includes basic account information used to create and secure your profile. Take a moment to double-check what you type so there are no mistakes, especially in your email address, since that may be used for verification or future login access. As you complete the form, it's also a good idea to choose a strong password if one is required. Use something secure but memorable for you. If the page includes any optional fields, you can fill them in as needed, but focus first on completing everything marked as required so the account can be created successfully. Once all your details are filled in, click on Create My Account. This will submit your information and begin the final account creation step. Depending on Hubstaff's current sign-up flow, you may be asked to confirm your email address or continue with a few setup prompts after this point. Just follow the on-screen instructions if that happens. And that's it. You've now gone through the full process of creating a Hubstaff account, from searching for the site to submitting your sign-up form. If you found this helpful, you can use the same approach anytime you need to create a new account on a software platform. Find the official site, choose the sign-up option, enter your details carefully, and complete the setup.